Hey, what's up everyone? Tim here from Everyday Tactical Vids. Kind of an interesting camera angle through the steering wheel as we're driving into work today. I wanted to share something I just observed with you, which was really cool. I'm headed into work and I'm on a more rural road that's going to be, going like this way across a pretty major road going this way. Come to the stoplight, there's one car in front of me, it's a truck, elderly guy in the truck. Light turns green. Before he just takes off and crosses the busier road, he looks. It's just a little thing, but it's situational awareness. It could be easy to say, well, my light's green, so I'm good to go. All you need is somebody coming up on that red light who is not paying attention to the traffic signal, and boom, you just get teed, and that can get you killed. So our light turned green. He slowed down, or he was sitting there. Our light turned green. And he just looked, make sure, okay, everyone stopped. All right, now I'm going to go through. So just situational awareness. I thought that was really cool. An elderly guy in a silver Ford Ranger. Anyhow, yeah, when you're pulling out into traffic, be attentive. Don't just say, oh, the light's green, I guess I'm good to go. Like, look around, make sure you're safe. All right, food for thought today. Thanks for watching. See you guys later.